Hello GP learners, welcome back to Abacus Plus series. In this quick tutorial, we will revise the friends formula of plus 2. Let's see how to add 2 directly applying small friends formula and applying big friends formula. Ready? Let's begin. When enough bits are available, adding 2 is very simple. This is 1's place, value of each lower bit is 1, 1 and 1, 2, 2, 4. That is the direct method. Quick and easy. But when you don't have enough 1 bits on 1's place, you need to apply small friends formula. To add 2, add 5, less 3. So, the small friends formula to add 2 is add 5, less 3. We will apply this formula and perform some addition and subtraction. Place 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 2. Here we will add 2 by applying this formula. Add 5, less 3, plus 4, minus 6. Less 5 and 1 plus 2. Add 5 less 3. Value of the bits is 5. Now we will apply the formula with 2-digit numbers. Place 14, 10 and 4, 14. Place 12, 10 and 2. To add 2 on 1's place, we will apply the small friends formula. Add 5 less 3 plus 53. Add 50 and 3. Minus 26 less 20 less 6, 5 and 1, 6 plus 22. Add 20 on 10's place, add 2 on 1's place by applying the formula. Add 5 less 3. Value of the bits is 5 and 2, 7 on 10's place, 5 on 1's place, 75. Zoom the abacus this way. Apply the same formula with 3-digit numbers. Place 333. This is 100's place, add 3. This is 10's place, add 3. This is 1's place, add 3. 333. 222. Applying the same formula. Add 5, less 3, add 5, less 3, add 5, less 3. Now subtract 111. That means we need to less 1 from 100's place, less 1 from 10's place, less 1 from 1's place, and we will apply the small friends formula of less 1. Less 5, add 4, less 5, add 4, less 5, add 4. In this way, we have subtracted 111. Now we will add 202. Add 2 on 100's place, applying small friends formula. Add 5, less 3, 0 on 10's place, 2 on 1's place. Add 5, less 3. Now add 123. Add 100, add 2 on 10's place, add 5, less 3, add 3 on 1's place. On 100's place, 5 and 2, 7. On 10's place, 5 and 1, 6. And on 1's place, 5 and 4, 9. Total value of the bits is 769. Zoom the abacus. If the direct method and small friends formula are not applicable, we use big friends formula. After adding 8, 5 and 3, 8 or 9, can you add 2 directly? No, it's not possible to add 2 directly. We cannot apply small friends formula because small friends formula is add 5 less 3. 5 is already added. So we cannot apply small friends formula. Here we have to apply big friends formula. The big friends formula to add 2 is add 10 less 8, 5 and 3, 8. So the big friends formula to add 2 is add 10 less 8. Let's apply the formula and perform some addition and subtraction. Place 8, 5 and 3, 8 plus 2, add 10 less 8 plus 9, 5 and 4, 9 plus 2, add 10 less 8 plus 3. Bits are pretty available to add 3. Add 2. Now we can apply small friends formula to add 2. Add 5 less 3. Value of the bits is 2 on 10's place, 6 on 1's place, 26. Now apply the formula with 2-digit numbers. Place 29, 20, 5 and 4, 9. Plus 12. Add 10 on 10's place and add 2 on 1's place by applying big friends formula. Add 10 less 8 plus 22. Add 2 on 10's place applying small friends formula. Add 5 less 3 and add 2 on 1's place directly. 22 plus 32. Add 30 on tens place. Add 2 on ones place by applying small friends formula. Add 5 less 3. Again add 22. We need to add 2 on tens place. Add 2 on ones place. To add 2 on tens place, we will apply big friends formula. Add 10 less 8. Add 2 on ones place directly. Total value of the bits is 117. 117. Now we will apply the big friends formula to add 2 with 3-digit numbers. Place 999, this is hundreds place, 5 and 4 9, tens place, 5 and 4 9, ones place, 5 and 4 9, 999 plus 222. Add 2 on hundreds place by applying big friends formula. Add 10 less 8. Add 2 on tens place, applying the same formula. Add 10 less 8. Add 2 on ones place. Add 10 less 8 plus 167. Add 100. Add 60, 50 and 10, 60. Add 7, 5 and 2, 7 plus 222. Add 200 on hundreds place, applying small friends formula. Add 5 less 3. Add 2 on tens place, applying big friends formula. Add 10 less 8. Add 2 on ones place, applying the same formula. Add 10 less 8. Value of the bits is 1610. 1610. Zoom the abacus this way. See how easy it is. Each time the formula helps us handle situation where direct addition is not possible. Great job, learners. Now you know all the smart ways to add to. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Zippy Learning. And check out our Abacus Plus playlist for more advanced lessons. Thank you.